Ever feel like math is a foreign language? Let's turn those numbers into your new best friends. Picture this. You're at a pizza party. Math is like knowing how to slice that pizza so everyone gets a piece. Easy, right? Let's dive into some simple tricks to make math a breeze. Tip 1. Break it down. Imagine solving a huge problem is like building a Lego set. Piece by piece, it's a lot easier. Tip 2. Practice with real-world examples. Next time you're shopping, try calculating discounts in your head. Trust me, it's more fun than it sounds. Tip 3. Use online tools. Websites and apps can turn boring equations into fun puzzles. You'll be a math whiz in no time. Remember, math isn't just about numbers. It's about problem solving and thinking creatively. So next time you face a tricky problem, just think, slice that pizza one piece at a time. Ready to unlock more math secrets? Hit subscribe and let's keep the fun rolling.